Hello everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 4 of the quad focus of the Passion Fleur. So basically I've done these three with the Plum Nocturne. I'm thinking of maybe just going ahead and start doing a combination of all of them, or just kind of whatever comes to mind. So I was like, still a little hot up here, but whew, the windows are open. There's overcast today and I have the windows open, so there's cool air, and of course it's gonna be loud. But let me go ahead and prep my eyes and we'll get into this tutorial. I think for foundation, of course when I want to record it starts getting noisy. I'm gonna continue using my combination of LM11 and medium 18. I mean, these actually last quite a while. So, but I think moving forward, I want to use the rest of my NARS. I forgot I had the Christian Dior's Skin Glow and the matte one also. So there's quite a few things I need to go through. I think I'm going to continue using LM14 for concealer as well. What else do I have that I need to start going through? But yeah, let me go ahead and prep my eyes and we'll get into this tutorial. It's going to be beautiful and I need to clean my nose. So we'll be right back. Alright, so the eyes are prepped with Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. Now, I think I'm going to go in with what is it called? Rose Fire Glow. This one first. And I'm going to go ahead and just put that. You know what? Let me do the finger. Do this first. Perfect. I really do love applying a lot of shadows with the fingers. Because you can really add on the intensity first and then just blend it out after. You know what this kind of reminds me of now? What is that flaky one from? It's the Quad. It reminds me of that one, but more of the copper rather than the peachiness in it. Oh my god, what is that? It has liaison in it? Oh, I don't remember. But I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Because from here, I'm gonna go in with the Skin Show Pink Dawn in the inner corner and use that as the brow bone highlight. And I'm thinking of maybe trying the Dior Forever. What is this? Undercover Full Coverage foundation today, because I forgot I had these and I've never tried them yet. So I'm gonna mix some two colors together to see what we get. But just blend it out. So much sparkle. Like, I just really love this color. I really don't like warms, but this is really starting to grow on me. Perfect. Now Skin Show Dawn will go into the inner corner. Our Skin Show Pink Dawn. Pink Dawn? Yeah. Skin Show Pink Dawn. Get a little bit of that frosty going on here. Going up. And then blend out. Oh, just love this. Such a cool tone type of pink. And I love that this quad actually has a good balance of cool and warm. And then just tap. Oh, yes. Perfect. Then going in with that Fire Rose again. Fire Rose Glow. Gosh, what is it called? Rose Fire Glow. Close enough. And just add a little bit depth back into the crease. We love this for us. Perfect. Oh, gorgeous. Now with a liner brush, going into Rose Nocturne as usual. Just to really create a crease, or not a crease, the wing. Perfect. Debating if I want to do a wing liner. Probably not. Not today. Because after this, I gotta get ready for work and start my day. Perfect. Got the fan up here to keep me cool. Perfect. Just really creating the wing. Let me put this away. There we go. It's really annoying. Perfect. And just begin to build up the intensity to what you want. Perfect. Let me go ahead and finish this and we will be back. All right, so this is where we are at the moment. So I went ahead and mixed, gosh, what is it? Number 40 and 50 together of these. And these are actually, I mean, can you, yeah, the 50 is definitely a little bit more orange. But for the most part, this is actually, for full coverage, my skin's still peeping through, which I like. I like when my skin peeps through. Heavily fragrance, which I actually don't mind, because for some reason when I smell fragrance foundations, I'm like, it's high class. So for blush and highlighter, I'm actually gonna go, I completely forgot I had this, the diamond, what is it, the diamond and blush from Natasha Denona. This is number 1 Daria, which is more of the cool toned. So I figured I'm gonna go in with the cream bronzer, or not bronzer, highlighter. No, that's the glow. The diamond is the, oh, I'm going in with the cream one first. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh, I forgot about this, of how good this palette was. I think she actually discontinued this, if I'm not mistaken. And then from here, I'm gonna go in with this highlighter, the glow. Oh, just because we already have that pink down going on. Up into the brow bone. There we go. Now I'm gonna go in with Cocoa, Naughty Cocoa from Fenty Beauty. Naughty Cocoa, Cocoa Naughty, yep. And just begin to bring some shape and warmth to the face. And of course the real estate, a lot of real estate. Oh, so much forehead to go over. Bring that down a little bit. There we go. And then for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one. Oh, it's just so soft. This goes really well on top of the cream. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I take it this foundation is more of a matte finish. Oh, natural finish. Fresh, weightless foundation. But yeah, that is a very, very beautiful. And actually, there's no movement from the cream going on. So I'm actually very surprised that it stays on while you apply cream. Because I know a lot of foundations will move for the most part, but this is beautiful. Oh my god. And I actually have the other one too, the number 2. It was Daria, and I forgot which has more of the golds in it, and it's more of a warm. The blush in that one I think is more of a peach, coral peach, and this one's more of a cool tone one, which I love. Oh, perfect. Let me go and finish the rest of my face, and then we will be back with the final look. And I think I will do the one more coat of the Dark Star. So here is the final look. Bad hair day as usual. But yeah, I mean, pink, what? Skin Show Pink Dawn, Fire Rose, Jesus, what is it called? Rose Fire Glow, and the Plum Nocturne. Natasha Denona for the blush and the highlight, which is beautiful. I love, love, love this baby pink. Actually wish she came out with maybe 2 more different one of these. Would have been really, really nice. But I know this was kind of when she first started to become really big, for me at least. I actually, like, I had to buy it. How many grams are these? 7 grams of product. So 7 grams of powder, 7 grams of cream, which is quite a bit, to be quite honest. But it is gorgeous. Christian Dior for the foundation today, which is actually really, really nice, and it's starting to set pretty well. I definitely need to get a tan, that's for sure. Lips today actually went into the Ultra Care 639 liquid for lips, and Pale Fire Nectar on top of that from Pat McGrath. Opulus, my lips are so dry. And Golden Hour by Becca, just to set in some certain areas of the face. And Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. So, definitely more of a high-end type of tutorial today, but for the most part, this quad I am really enjoying. The dimension it has is so beautiful. I mean, it's Pat McGrath. Her shimmers are so beautiful in every aspect, because you really get a good glow from any angle, in all honesty. Benefit still brows. This is still going strong, but I think I really am basically at the end of it. So I might get another one, but I actually have a bag full of brow products that I want to go through first. So I love this nude lip. Oof. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Tutorial number 4. I think I'd say I have about a couple more I want to do, and then I might go into more of the Rose Decadence combination with this palette or with this quad, but we shall see where that goes, and I will see you guys in the next video.